2.6 million people just got a notification. Their student loans were sent to collections, and most of them had no idea this was coming because student loan default just hit a crisis point in 2026. And if you're carrying student debt, you need to know exactly what happens next. The numbers are shocking. In the first quarter of 2026 alone, 2.6 million federal student loan borrowers had their loans transferred to default collection. That follows 1 million defaults in late 2025. And here's the part that terrifies people. The average person defaulting, 39 years old, not fresh graduates, not irresponsible borrowers, just regular people who were current on their loans until the pandemic pause ended and suddenly payments restarted and reality hit. When you default, your credit score doesn't just drop, it collapses. The average defaulted borrower sees a 91-point credit score hit. That's not a small dip. That's life-changing. If you had a 700 credit score, you're now at 609. Mortgages, impossible. Car loans, rejected. Even credit cards, denied. And that damage, it doesn't go away quickly. A default stays on your credit report for 7 years. 7 years of financial limitations. Here's where it gets serious. While collections are currently paused, that pause might not last forever. When collections resume, the federal government has powers most creditors don't have. Wage garnishment. The government can take up to 15% of your gross wages. Every paycheck. Every single one. Tax refund seizure. Any refund you get is seized. Federal benefits offset. Social Security can be reduced. This isn't theoretical. This is happening right now to 2.6 million people. But here's the thing nobody tells you. There are options. Before defaulting, there are income-driven repayment plans. Your payment could drop to $0 if you have no income, or a percentage of your income if you do. Deferment. You can pause payments for up to 3 years while you get stable. Forbearance. Temporary pause for hardship. Income contingent repayment. Payments based on what you actually earn. The key word is before default. Once you default, your options shrink dramatically. So if you're struggling, contact your loan servicer now. Not when you're 90 days late, not next month. Now. The scariest part of defaulting isn't the interest, it's the invisibility. People default quietly. They don't talk about it, but 2.6 million of them just did. And they were panicked, really panicked. If you're carrying student debt and worried, the time to act is now. Not when collections start, not when your wages get garnished, now. If this helped, subscribe for real financial data broken down simply, and drop a comment. Are you struggling with student loans right now? I read everyone. See you next week.